The Fish Who Could Wish, written by John Bush. In the deep blue sea, in the deep of the blue, swam a fish who could wish, and each wish would come true. Oh, the fun that he had! Oh, the things he would do, just wishing away in the deep water blue. He wished for a castle. He wished for a car. He wished for a horse and a Spanish guitar. And he rode through the ocean singing "O Solo Mio," backed by a group called the Hermit Crab Trio. Once, when he wished he could go out and ski, it snowed for a week under the sea. He wished he could fly, and to his delight, flew twice round the world in exactly one night. If sharks came a-hunting for a nice fishy treat, he would quickly just wish he was too small to eat. And to teach sharks a lesson, do you know what he would wish? That he was a shark and the shark was a fish. He'd wish himself square or round as a biscuit, triangular, oval, name it, he wished it. He wished for fine suits and handsome silk ties. But the one thing he never wished was to be wise. One day, just for fun, that silly old fish wished the silliest wish he could wish. That silly old fish wished he could be just like the other fish there in the sea. But wishing was something other fish could not do. So that was his very last wish that came true. The end.